Weeks after a state cyber attack, background checks used for guns are finally back up, but not without some hiccups. Those at the Range 702 said systems went back up this weekend, but with the hundreds of requests for background checks, their system went down for a couple hours yesterday, but is back up and running now. The general manager said customers have been frustrated. Without background checks, they were not able to release any guns.
We got an email late Saturday night that we would reopen systems on Sunday morning, which systems were reopened. We were then told that every couple minutes they were getting over 300 new requests. So there was some backup and a lot of lag time for us to receive the proceed or deny answers.
And we're told the store lost tens of thousands of dollars in the last few weeks because the business is to primarily sell guns.